Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook a lovely curry coconut chicken. Here I have some leg meat. I removed the skin off it because of personal preference. And the season I'll be using some all-purpose season which I made up. This chicken is lovely, delicious, and tasty. And you can have it with mashed potato or some gungo rice and peas or some rice and peas. It's personal preference. You want to have it with some basmati plain rice, that's fine. The curry I use is one that I made up myself, and I mix some curry with some paprika. I'm going to add a bit of oil to this just to mix the seasoning with it. So we're going to mix in our seasoning, make sure I marinate properly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to show you the different things I'm going to add to it. So to take our coconut curry up to the next level, I have some spring onion here, red onion, fresh garlic, coriander, and in this bottle here, you're seeing it look different. You might be wondering, what is this? This is a fresh squeezed coconut milk, which I made. Authentic way I'm doing it. So over this part, I have my pan on the fire. So I'm just going to go in with some oil just to barely cover the bottom of this. So we're going to go in with our chicken. And what we're going to do, we're going to sear them off, or, different terminology. We're going to let them catch some color on it. So with this pan, I'm just going to put some water in this just to rinse it out. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn them. Give them a bit of turn once they catch a bit of color. It's always good when you let them catch some color. Gonna go over with some fresh chopped ginger over this. Now we're gonna start add some garlic, some red onion, and some coriander straight in. Next up, we're going to add coconut milk. Instead of water, we're using coconut milk in this. And the rest from the curry pot, pour them straight in. Now I'm going to bring it to a boil and then let them simmer. So for extra flavor, I'll be adding in a bit of chicken stock. All that is personal preference. And for texture and body, some Irish potato. Next thing, spoon of my green season. To learn how to make this green season, in my channel list, there's a video on how to make green season. At this time, just pop your lid on and let him simmer. So now our curry coconut chicken is finished. So I'm just going to turn the gas off. And that's what it looked like. That's a finished product. Ladies and gentlemen, if this video of any value to you, Please do consider to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. So with this, I'm going to have this with some lovely gungu rice and peas.